Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 8, honorable guardians, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my online class arranged by the authority of Bawani School and College. Hope all of you are safe and sound by the mercy of the Almighty. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. At first, I would like to express my gratitude to the Almighty to keep us safe and sound. At the same time, I would like to show my respect to our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, because he is the only leader who brought independence to our country. In this August, we lost our father of the nation. May Allah give peace to his soul. Okay, dear students, in my last class, I talked about indefinite article, and I told you that today's class will be a continuation of that one. So, today I am going to give a detailed discussion on the definite article and the omission of article. Okay students, moving on to the main class, as we are dealing with the definite article, I want to give you the definition or the meaning of definite. Okay, the dictionary meaning of definite is specific, or we can say clear-cut, explicit. As for example, if we say, in this class today I am going to specifically talk about on definite article and the omission of article. That means in this class I won't talk about any other items. So we are talk about something definitely when we are sure of that thing. Then we use definite article the. Okay students, let's see some of the use of the definite article the, and after that we will have a look at the uses of omission of article. Okay students, in your exam question, in question number 10, you will have the passage with the fill in the gaps to be filled up with articles, and there you can use a, an, and the. But in some gaps you cannot use any of the articles. That is, you can't use neither a, nor an, nor the. Or in this case you have to use a cross sign. So in which places you have to use a cross sign, I will show you in this class. Dear students, let's begin the class and see the use of the definite article the first. Okay dear students, look at the board. I have already written some rules of the use of the. At first you can see, before the fixed noun we have to use the. Before the fixed noun you have to use the. So as an example, this is dash bag that you gifted me, or this girl dash girl is reading. So the noun bag and girl is fixed. As we know, before the fixed noun we have to use the, so both answers are the. So our answers is, this is the bag, this is the bag that you gifted me, and another is dash girl is reading, the girl is reading. Okay, our next rule is, before the community of animal or person you have to use a definite article the. So our example is, dash English are industrious. Here English is written as nation. Here English is written as nation. So the answer is, the English are industrious. Okay, next, river, mountains, sea, bay, islands. have to use the. Okay. Let's see the example. Dash Padma is a large river. Dash Padma is a large river. As it is a name of the river, we have to use the. The Padma is a large river. Okay. Our next example. Our next rule. Famous buildings, famous community, famous political party. Before this, you have to use the. So the example is Dash Taj Mahal is in India. Dash Taj Mahal, as it is a very famous building. So we have to use the. The Taj Mahal is in India. Next, before the holy books, before the newspaper, you have to write the. Dash Quran is a holy book. So as Quran is a holy book, we have to use the. The Quran is a holy book. Okay. Dear students, our next rule is before ships, aeroplane, name of train, you have to write the. As for example, Dash Titanic sank forever. Dash Titanic. So we have to write the. The Titanic sank forever. Next rule. Ordinal number, before the ordinal number, the is used. Okay. For example, he secured dash first position in the exam. He secured dash first position in the exam. So we have to write the. Next, in the case of superlative degree and comparative degree, in the case of superlative degree and comparative degree, you have to write the. For example, he is dash best boy. He is dash best boy in the class. So this is a superlative degree, and we know before the superlative degree, the is used. So the answer is the best boy in the class. Next example, dash more you read, dash more you learn. This is a comparative degree. So the both answers are the. The more you read, the more you learn. This is a moral also for us, right? Okay students, next rule. Before moon, sun, planet, star, direction, east, west, north, south, or anything else. Direction, earth, world, universe, whatever we say. Before these words, we have to write the. So the answer is dash sun rises in dash east. Here sun is here, and also we can see there is a direction which is east. So before the sun we have to write the. The sun rises in, and this is a direction. So before the direction we have to write the also. The sun rises in the east. Dear students, please write down on your copy, and I think it will be helpful for you. Dear students, comparison between, our next rule is comparison between two famous person, the is used. I say again, comparison between two famous persons, the is used. Let's see the example. Nazrul is dash Byron of Bangladesh. Nazrul is dash Byron of Bangladesh. Here Nazrul is famous and also Byron is famous. So our answer will be the. But if we say I write okay, look at the board, dear students. If I say Hira is dash Byron of Bangladesh, Hira is the Byron of Bangladesh, then the answer will be incorrect because I'm not famous as Byron is famous. So when একই সমজাতীয় না হলে so our answer will be A. As Nazrul is famous, Byron is famous, you will write the, otherwise you will write A. Okay? Okay. Our next rule, you know, dear student, you know, before abstract or material noun, before abstract or material noun, no article is used. But if the abstract or material noun is fixed, if the abstract or material noun is fixed, then the answer will be the. Okay? So before the fixed abstract or material noun, before the fixed abstract or material noun, the is used. So dash kindness of Mohsin is known to all. Here kindness is Mohsiner. Kindness Mohsiner dayashilota. So the answer will be the. The kindness of Mohsin is known to all. Again here dash gold of the ring. এখানে gold is the fixed because ring এর gold এর কথা বলা হচ্ছে, not only gold. So it is fixed material noun and our answer is the. The gold of the ring is pure. Our next rule, before the historical event, before historical event, the is used. So let's see the example. He saw dash Second World War. We know this is a historical event. So before this we have to write the. He saw the Second World War. Our next rule is form. Follow me, dear students. Form indefinite to definite. I say again, form indefinite to definite, the is used. As for example, once there was dash poor man. Once there was dash poor man. Here the poor man is indefinite and he was unknown to us. So before indefinite we have to write A or N as it is a consonant. So we write A. Once there was a poor man. After that sentence, the man is known to us that the man was poor. So next, that's why we have to write the. The man was, as the man is known to us now. Okay students, from indefinite to definite we have to write the, as it was unknown, so we wrote a. Next, after that sentence, the man is known to us, that's why we write the here. Okay students, write down on your copy. Dear students, now we will talk about omission of article, where article is not used. Okay, as I said before, our first rule is before uncountable noun, no article is used. Before uncountable noun, no article is used. As for example, I am fond of dash tea. I am fond of dash tea. Tea is an uncountable noun, and again we see water has no dash color. Color is also an uncountable noun. So before this we have to write a cross sign, or we have to give the answer as a cross sign. I am fond of tea, because here no article is used. Water has no color. Okay. Next, before proper noun, no article is used. Before proper noun, no article is used. Let's see the example. I live in dash Dhaka. Here Dhaka is a proper noun. Again, dash Tithi is my best friend. As you know, Dhaka, Tithi, etc. are the proper noun, and before the proper noun, no article is used. So the answer is I live in Dhaka. Dash Tithi is my best friend. Here also no article is used. Tithi is my best friend. Dear student, our next rule. Before the material noun, no article is used. As for example, dash diamond is very precious. Dash diamond is very precious. As diamond is a material noun and it is not fixed. It is not a fixed material noun, so no article will be used here. Okay. Next rule, abstract noun. Before the abstract noun, no article is used. You know, students, abstract noun cannot be counted. Abstract noun cannot be seen, but it can be felt. Okay. So, dash beauty is truth. Our example is dash beauty is truth. Beauty is an abstract noun because it cannot be counted, it cannot be seen, but it can be felt. So here also no article will be used. Okay. Next rule, before park, buildings, school, college, university, hospital, junction means mode. Junction, market, no article will be used. So the example is Mihi goes to dash school. Mihi goes to dash school. As it is a school form, so no article will be used here. Okay. Mihi goes to school. I hope you have already written on your copy. Okay students, next rule number 6, plural noun er purbe no article will be used. Before the plural noun, no article is used. For example, dash tigers are ferocious. Dash tigers. Here we can see this is a plural noun, and before the plural noun, no article will be used. So you have to write here a cross sign. Next, number 7. Before the taking food, before the name of the taking food, no article will be used. As for example, I take my dash breakfast at 8 a.m. I take my dash breakfast. This is a name of the taking food. So you have to write here also a cross sign. Next rule, number 8, human being. Human being as man, woman, father, mother, uncle, aunt, child or children. A purbe article, no article is used. For example, dash man is mortal. Man is mortal. So you have to give here also a cross sign. No article is used here. Okay. Before the language, no article is used. For example, she speaks in dash English. She speaks in dash English. Here, English is a name of the language. You know, before the nation or nationality, the is used. When English is used as a nation, we used there the. But here English is written as a language. English is written as a language. So we know before the language no article is used. Okay. Next rule, before the disease, any kind of disease, generally before the disease no article is used. For example, he is suffering from dash COVID-19. We hope nobody suffered this from this disease. He is suffering from dash COVID-19, as it is a name of the disease. So before this disease we have to give a cross sign. But there is an exception, such as dash measles dash mumps, the is used. Otherwise all other before the name of the disease we have to write cross. Okay, write down the rules of omission of article. Okay, students, before the name of the game no article is used. For example, we play dash football in the afternoon. We play dash football. Football is name of the game, so you have to write here no article or cross sign you have to write. Before day, month or season no article is used. For example, dash January is the first month of the year, as January is the name of the month, so the answer is cross. Next, he came on dash Friday. Friday is a name of day, so here also a cross sign. And next, dash spring is my favorite to me. Sorry, there is a silly mistake. Dash spring is favorite to me. So before the spring no article is used. You have to remind this or remember this. Day, before day, month or season no article is used. Okay, next rule, before the name of the festival, before the any kind of festival, before the name of the festival no article is used. For example, dash Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr, it is a name of festival for the Muslims, is the biggest festival for the Muslims. So here also no article is used. Our next rule is at the middle of the compound noun, at the middle means moddhe ba mache, at the middle of the compound noun, such as class teacher, here is the middle. You can find a gap. Schoolgirl, world map. At the middle of the compound noun no article is used. For example, it is a world dash map. Here world and map both are noun form. That's why it is called compound noun. And as I said, at the middle of the compound noun no article is used. So you have to give here also a cross sign. Students, look at the board. Our next rule is number 15. Generally, the meaning of the idiomatic phrase represents the total different meaning from the words of the idiomatic phrase. Generally, the meaning of the idiomatic phrase represents total different meaning from the words of the idiomatic phrase. As an example, it has been raining dash cats and dogs. You know, cats and dogs is an idiomatic phrase. So, before this one, there is no need to use article. Okay, next rule. Before adjective or when the sentence ends with an adjective, I say again, before the adjective or when the sentence ends with an adjective, then there is no need to use article. For example, the girl looks dash beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective form, so before this no article will be used. Okay. Next rule is noun phrase. In case of noun phrase, there is no use of article between adjective and noun. In case of noun phrase, there is no need to use article between adjective and noun. Okay, let's see the example. He is an honest dash man. Here is honest man is a noun phrase, and between adjective and noun we need not to use article. Okay, write down in your copy. Now students, I hope you have already completed to write down on your paper. So dear students, this is all we have talked about the definite article and the omission of article. Though these are not all, but I have tried in 2 classes to cover most of the rules, and I believe it will be helpful for you. Okay students, I would like to inform you that after the class I will give you the homework from the article lesson, and the homework will be posted on our online page. And so students, before finishing the class, I would like to inform you that in this pandemic situation, you should have the patience and mental peace. So dear students, complete your homework and continue your study at home. Stay safe and sound, and thank you all for watching our online class. Allah Hafiz.